Alright, what's poppin', chat? Do you want to hear something magical? Listen to this. Say something, dingus. Yeah, I'm on the phone with my brother, so he's gonna be here while making a bit. So we are gonna go. I already played it, but I'm just gonna do it again. We're gonna go cover that, and I got $1 million. Okay. Back. I know we haven't played VR in 2 months. Okay. Oh. Golden gun. The thing where I spawned is in that and that. I don't know what the heck this is. There's sparkles, but I'm gonna show you guys something. One of the golden guns. Here, I'm gonna get like a rare. I'm gonna get one of the rare ones. That star one. So that's what that does. So let's go back to this bag. Put that. Okay, here it is. There's this one. I think this is the only one that's in that bag that's rare. Yeah, so I got this one. I got 2 rare ones. Just use are both rare. Is that these 2 are actually very good edition, like limited edition, and it's like very, very high prophecy. So let's go. You can swim now. Wait, hold up. This thing. No. I'm gonna grab a couple. Exit. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah. Don't be scary. Don't be scary. This is gonna be scary. This is gonna be scary. Hold up. Stop that. There we go. The other thing is, let me do that. So I am a big scary cat. Oh my god. So we are gonna leave manually. Go. Yeah, so here. What? 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 Bro, I can't go live. It won't work. Because I have to log it on too. And I'm making a vid. So I kinda can't go live right now. But maybe yeah. Let me go. Now that is a scary. I just lost my dog. Oh yeah, I gotta go find it. Let's check. I'm flying over here. I don't know. But if you guys want me to go live, because my brother here wants me to, I guess I'll try to go live. And also comment down below if you want one. Comment if you want one. So I'm only giving out like 2 of these rare ones. So if you're the first one to join, like on 13, that's that fan code, you might be able to get. I'm only giving out 2 of these rare ones. Okay. So, and if you want, these are the only 2 I'm giving out. So let's put them. Let's put the 2 rares. Take the 2 rare ones and here. Or you can get like this peach one. I'm pretty sure this is peach. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I have a lot of these. If they try to fake my color and stuff, this is my name if I join. Right here. This is me. Come through him. So yeah. Look already. Come on, Arm. Come on. Get to work. Hey, yo. Okay, so I know this is like a very, very long video. I don't know how long this is, but comment down below because I haven't posted. The reason why I'm posting today right now, it's because I haven't posted in little like 2 weeks. So yeah, hopefully I can make a. Whenever I go to my dad's, hopefully I can make you guys a what's my hood at? 1.5. You're dragging. Hopefully I can make a modding video for you guys. Hopefully it's been 8 weeks. I don't know. Last time it's been like 2 weeks. So hopefully it's in 2 weeks. And also comment down below if you guys like my fit, like, you know, this. You like this? I don't know if I'm liking this. I think I'm liking it. It's not enough. Yeah, no, brother. I got 2 million. Bull. That's what. Oh yeah, comment down below if you guys want the OG. Comment down below OG dog back. Like, comment down below if you want the OG. Oh no. If you want the OG dog back. Now I'm just gonna put my head on. And comment down below if you want this fit or my other fit. So I think I'm rocking the other fit. Oh yeah, look at my eyeballs. So comment right down below if you want my frog arms back, because I think I want my frog arms back. Wait, in the tail, I think I'm leaving the tail later. But